Hello everyone, today's December 9th, and 2025 we're going to open this window 9 in the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. This is year-round fun for those of you just joining in on this series. This will be going on throughout December for the playlist that I have on the channel here. And if you'd like to always be notified of the new videos, be sure to subscribe. It is free to subscribe. Ooh, fun sequins. Excellent. Okay. These are a gorgeous color. I don't have this color. And let's maybe take a couple out. Anyway, as I was saying, if you want to be notified whenever I post the videos, you can just hit the bell icon on YouTube and let them know how frequently you'd like to be notified. And they'll leave that up to you. It's like everything or certain stuff that's personalized, so you don't have to be notified every single video. I've also got the playlist, so you can always save the playlist and refer back to it. I'll be adding to it, honestly, probably throughout the year. I mean, obviously in December for the unboxings and the initial projects, but I do plan on using these more than just in December, so there'll be additional projects to go. I'm going to go through and think of some things that we can maybe add these to, and then also possibly make a couple new projects just focused on purple. If you're joining in with me, please be sure to tag me in the project you create, and when I come back on video, I'll have some cards to show you. For these cards, I used the same pattern paper and Cosmic Shimmer paste for the butterfly stencil, and then I added the sequins from day 9. This sentiment is from an ephemera box from Joann, as is this one. And this down here, this is a Tonic Studios Nuvo Glacier paste. And I did it without the black border here, and this is again another one of the rainbow hot foil sentiments made of Spellbinders. And the cardstock on these is also Spellbinders.
I'd love to know which card is your favorite. Please let me know in the comments below and hit the like button so YouTube will know to send this to other people looking for Advent inspiration. I'll be posting the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar throughout December 2025. Subscribing to my channel is free and allows you to find my videos faster. If you'd like to know when my videos are posted, click on the notification button and select your preferred notification frequency. If you're also crafting with this calendar, please tag me. I'd love to see your projects.